friends. And meet the friends. There's Joey, an aspiring actor / human garbage disposal.
Hey, how much you give me to eat this whole jar of olives?
Cold cuts, ice cream, limes.
Custard, good. Jam, good. Meat, good.
Monica, a chef with some seriously undiagnosed OCD.
You see these little flower blossoms? They should be facing up, not down, because, well, the head of the bed is where the sun would be.
Her brother Ross, who goes from depressed nerd
Hi. Someone at work ate my sandwich.
to manic unstable buffoon in 10 short years.
Be careful! Very hot plate! Very hot!
Chandler, an insecure man-child who uses humor to run away from his psychological issues.
I have issues with commitment, intimacy.
I make jokes when I'm uncomfortable.
I'm hopeless and awkward and desperate for love. My sister!
Bad dancing.